Hello guys, my name is Hiteshi and today is the last day of 2024. Yeah, this year I have passed so fastly and lots of us have learned something in that year and lost someone or have some better experiences. So whatever it was a good year. It was a year which taught us lots of things. So moving forward in 2025, there are some habits which we can acquire to make our 2025 more better than 2024. So yeah, the first and the most important habit you can acquire is waking up earlier. As I have mentioned earlier in my videos, what waking up earlier, what are the changes happens when you wake up earlier are really very positive. So yeah, you must acquire one of the habit, that is waking up earlier. Then after that, you must stop giving the excuses. Lots of things in 2024 happened, and we all, it is a human nature, it is a human tendency to blame everything and anything which happened in our life and give an excuse. So yeah, in 2025, please stop giving any excuses. If you fail, take the responsibility. If you have succeed, take that responsibility. Be responsible for whatever is happening in your life. This is one of the most important rule to follow in 2025. Then after that, you must, as all we know, that health is wealth. So you're taking care of your own body, taking care of your own skin, taking care of your own hairs. This is one of the most important but most ignored thing. So yeah, if you want to have a better, if you want to have better wealth also, you must be healthy. So if I'm not healthy, how can I work, or how can I be wealthy if I'm not healthy? So yeah, taking care of your health is a must be a priority in 2025. After that, one of the more others we can adopt is yeah, टू बी अवे फ्रॉम योर डिजिटल जो भी अकाउंट्स है या जो भी डिजिटली अपन इतने जो ऑनलाइन रहता है दिन भर, जो या दिन भर रील्स वगैरह देखना. सो ये चाहेगा मोबाइल का डिटॉक्स करना एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ रहेगी जो हमें 2025 में अक्वायर करनी पड़ेगी. यू हैव टू बी एबल टू keep the watch on how much mobile or how much devices you use. So using it for a positive manner is not a bad thing, but as we all know, we use phones and our mobiles, laptops for more than 8 plus hours. Yeah, it is important to sleep for 8 plus hours, but if you can, if we can, what we can call, we have many apps which track our uses of mobile and all. So when you will track the uses, you will come to know that lots of the time in 24 hours we are wasting on the social media. So it is not worth it. So yeah, in 2025 you must control the use of social media and give more time to more productive things, just like learning new skill or reading or doing anything you love. Yeah, so this is one of the habit you can master in 2025. Then one more habit you can do is yeah, as we all know, 2024 was a bad year financially also. That's my personal experience. I was financially very weak in 2024. So what are my new, what is my new resolution in 2025? It is to be financially independent. So yeah, being financially independent comes with the practice of saving. So yeah, saving your money is one of the best practice to be financially independent. So yeah, start saving in 2025 so that you will not have urgency or you will not get any trouble. Okay, so this is one of the habit. Then also one of the thing you can do in 2025 to to be more productive is scheduling what you are gonna do. Yeah, just for once, as I'm saying this to you, please do schedule your at least schedule tomorrow, when what I'm gonna do on 1 January. Just try to schedule it. The day you start scheduling your life will become so easier. There are lots of things we have to, if I decided to do from tomorrow onwards, I have decided to wake up earlier, to have a breakfast, or to bath daily, then to read 15 pages per day. So what if I am just deciding it in my mind only? So I will not have that accountability. But if I'm writing it down, or I'm mentioning it to somewhere, or noting it down to somewhere, then I will have that clear goal in front of my eyes. So I will work toward it more effectively. So yeah, one of the habit you have to acquire is to write up what you have to achieve or what you have to do in a day. Then other more habit or other more positive thing you can do is learning a new skill. As all of us know that the age of 2025 to 2030 is going to be the age of artificial intelligence. So if you don't want to be in a back foot, just start learning new skills which will pay you, which will pay you or which will make you more reliable to be to be in this digital world. So yeah, start learning new skill. It can be anything. So this is one of the habit you must acquire. Then also one of the important thing, that stop having the habits which make you lazy. like Put that all the laziness in 2024 and just be so energetic, so fierce in 2025 that the year will be yours. So okay, yeah, then also one of the things I would really like to comment on is being away from the negative friends. There are lots of people in our life which seems to be friends but they are not your friends. So as 2024 was a year where we came to know that who are ours and who are not. So if you got that lesson, keep that lesson in your mind and be away from the people who are literally making your life negative. So this is one of the things you can do in 2025. And then like yeah, and one more and last thing from my side, be away from social media. Like don't waste your time. If you want to do something, be creative, like make videos, make like something reels or informative, whatever you want to do, but just don't waste only by watching it. I'm not saying like you must not watch anything. Yeah, matlab doing your like watching your reels and all is ठीक ठाक, but not in that amount कि आपको आपका वक्त कहाँ जा रहा है समझ ही ना आए. सो दीज आर द important things. And yeah, one most important thing, like keep your mental health your priority. If you are mentally stable, everything will happen positive and everything will happen like in such a way that you will not have to worry about anything. But you're not mentally stable, you have to like waking up daily becomes a task. So why this happens? Because you're not mentally stable. So yeah, keeping your mental health priority is the most important priority in 2025. So this is all for the today. Thank you guys, bye.